Hello guys, in my hand this is a phone, Google Pixel 4a. So I got this phone from the Flipkart. So I am going to unboxing it. So let's do it. So I got this knife almost 70 years old maybe. So I got this knife. Okay, just let me quickly get this bag. Okay. Get this bag from the okay. So I got this phone. Wow, it's amazing, right? It's amazing masterpiece. Okay, so let's open it. Okay guys, so we have right now the Pixel phone. So let's open it. Let me just open this bag, open this sticker to get this phone out. Wow, simply wow. We can say it is like simply wow. We can get this phone. Okay, let's keep it aside. Let's check what else accessories we are getting. Okay, this is the baggage from the Google. This is a charger. This is a charger we are getting, and this is adapter. Oh, something is very beautiful over here. Some things we are getting. I don't know what is that, but it's very beautiful. We'll check it later. Okay. So this is the charger we are getting. This is the adapter. This is the charger. This is the adapter we are getting, and something more. I think this is the connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, or maybe some. Yeah. So this is we are getting for putting. I think maybe some data, OTG data cable we are getting from Google. This is the best things. But one thing is missing is the headphone that Google should provide. Okay. So let's talk about phone right now. This is the Google Pixel 4a, just black. Okay. Wow. Let me just open it. Let me. This is a very handy phone. Like this is just a 5.8 screen. This is very handy and small and very light phone. This is very completely pure matte finish. There is no notch. The camera is in front of the screen. So let me just open it. Let me just switch on it. Wow. See, you can see the Google. Okay, so by the time, let me just talk about the feature of this phone. So let's talk about the display first. So this is the 5.8 screen, 5.81 inch screen, so almost 14.76 centimeters. So if you are looking for a handy phone, small phones, if your hand is very small, then you can go for this phone because it's very comfortable to use. And so let's talk about the display. So you are getting the full HD OLED display with full HD plus, and this is all about 16 color display. And let's talk about the OS and processor. So we are getting here like Android 10. So as it's Google, made by Google, we used to get it by stock Android. It's no other flavor we will get it. We used to get stock Android. So, and this is the octa-core processor, and processor is like Snapdragon 736G, and the clock speed is 1.8 gigahertz, and primary clock speed is 2.2 gigahertz. Okay. So then let's talk about the memories and storage. It's a 6 GB RAM. The storage is 6 GB. It's a very huge, right? 6 GB RAM, and you can get and 128 GB ROM. So you got too much storage. You can storage your too much videos and photos. Okay. So this is storage. And let's talk about the camera features. Let's just first reset it. Set it off offline. Continue. Next. Okay, use location, allow scanning, more. accept. So camera look is very nice. So Ajab, now we can skip it. Wow, now we have the screen is ready. This is the screen is ready for our Google Pixel. Okay, so these are all the stock apps is already there because this is a very stock Android because it's made by Google. Okay, let's talk about camera features. This rear camera is 12.2 megapixel and with flash. Let me repeat, it's 12.2 single camera. So Google always give the single camera, and all the portrait modes, all these things is handled by a software. And Google is a software company, so they handle software related things very amazingly. They don't need one more cameras, secondary cameras to get the portrait modes and whatever modes they want. They can handle those things in their software. And front is just 8.8 megapixel camera. So we'll test the camera quality. So we just test it out. Okay. You can see this is the camera. Yeah, we can see this photo. Maybe I don't take it on some different modes. Some different modes are there because room's light is little less, so I can just take it on night lights. So yeah, so it's room little dark, so that's why maybe the photo quality is not that much enough good. But once we go out and check this, then we can see the real quality of camera. So this is the portrait mode. See, wow, this is very amazingly blur the back end screens. So the room quality, the light in the room is very less, that's why it's showing little dusky or dark. But when we go out and check it, then obviously it will be showing more amazing things. So even if in the same things for the front camera, so very amazing things is like there is no noise. It's very simple matte finish and very the side one selfie camera is in front camera is there. It's 8 megapixel camera. Okay, so this is the phone we have right now, and this is the Google branding is there, and this is the fingerprinting is there. Still we have fingerprinting, even if Face ID and fingerprinting both are there. And battery, let's talk about batteries. It's 3142 mAh battery we used to get it. So battery, in the section of batteries, this Google is little less you can consider as, because if you are a gaming person or if you used to watch lots of movies or lots of series in your phones, then these phones might not give so many luxury to you, because this is small, screen size is little small and battery backup is little less. So if you are just using that phone for normal use, like just smooth use of phone, just taking the calls, WhatsApps and some browsings and some capturing some good photos while traveling, so at this cause this phone is very amazing. And it's the most important thing is this phone is very handy, so you can use single-handedly, and if your hand is pretty small or you are a girl, then you can use very smoothly without any hesitations. So these are all the information I have shared about this masterpiece, and let me know if you want more information about it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.